Hey Math Magicians! Welcome back to my next video in the Math Kangaroo Challenge from 2007 for grades 3 and 4. Today we are tackling questions 6 to 10 together. Let's think, solve, and level up our math skills. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's dive into problem 6 together. First, we need to read the question carefully and pick out the key info. There are 9 lampposts on one side of the path in the park. The distance between each pair of neighboring lampposts is 8 meters. George was jumping all the way from the first lamppost to the last one. How many meters has he jumped? So understand the problem first. George is hopping across 9 lampposts and the distance between each one is 8 meters. But how far does he jump in total? Let's break this down with a quick example. If we have 2 lampposts, George makes one jump between them. If we have 3 lampposts, George makes 2 jump, and so on. So the rule is George jumps one less than the total number of lampposts. This means if we have 9 lampposts, George will jump 8 times. Each jump is 8 meters long and George is making 8 jumps. So how far did he jump? Yes, we multiply 8 jumps by 8 meters to get the total distance. So the total distance George has jumped is 64 meters. The correct answer is option C. You guys are doing awesome. Let's keep up the great work and move on to problem 7 of 2007 Math Kangaroo for grade 3-4. Problem 7. The combination for opening a safe is a 3-digit number made up of different digits. How many different combinations can you make using only digits 1, 3 and 5? What it means is that we can only use the digits 1, 3 and 5 and each 3-digit number must have different digits. So let's think about our choices for each digit. We have 3 numbers and we can place them in the 10, unit and 100 positions. For the first digit, we can choose 1, 3 or 5. That gives us 3 choices. For the second digit, we have already used 1, so we only have 2 choices left. For the third digit, only 1 choice remains since we have already used 2 digits. So let's do math and multiply 3 into 2 into 1, which gives us 6. Boom. There are 6 different combinations. This means our answer E is correct. Awesome. The total number combination is 6. How cool is that? We have already solved 2 problems and now we are moving on to problem 8. Let's keep the momentum going and tackle this one together. Ready? Let's go. Problem 8. Which of the 5 pieces below fits together with the one given on the right to form a rectangle? This is a visual problem. As mentioned in my previous video, break it into smaller parts, compare and eliminate wrong options. That's the trick to finding the right answer. Now let's tackle this step by step. Start with the side. We need 4 or more blocks to make a rectangle. Scanning the options we have, option D does not have that, so eliminate it. However, none of the options has 4 blocks, but instead has 5 blocks. So we add 1. Next, look at the horizontal line. It needs 3 blocks, which means option C is eliminated too. Move one step further up. We need 3 blocks So option A and option E is out. Our final answer is option B. Awesome job. You have done so well so far. Keep it up. Let's move on to problem 9. Problem 9. What is the answer to sum 4 into 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 multiply by 4? Let's tackle this problem using PEMDAS. Remember, PEMDAS help us to solve equations in the right order. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. That is why first we multiply. So we multiply 4 into 4 and we give answer is 16. Next, our expression becomes 16 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 16. Now it's time to add step by step. So we add 16 plus 4, then we add 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. 24 plus 4 gives 28. 28 plus 4 gives 32, and 32 plus 16 gives us 48. So our final answer is 48, which is option C. Great job. Now we have made it to the last problem of the video. You are doing fantastic. So let's finish strong and solve this together. Problem 10. The square in the figure is a mini Sudoku. The numbers 1, 2 and 3 must be written in the cell so that each of them appears in each row and each column. Harry started to fill in the square. Which number should he write in the cell that is marked by a question mark? This is the spot we are referring to. This is a fun Sudoku puzzle. Let's break it down step by step. First we see 3 is missing in column 1, so we place it in first cell. Next in the middle row, we see the number missing is 3, so we place it. Now in the bottom row, the missing number is 2 and 1, but 1 already in this column, so we place 2 here. Moving to the second column, we see 1 and 2 are already there, so we place 3 by the question mark. So our answer is 3, which is option C, only 3. Great job. Here is a completed Sudoku. Up next, we will tackle problems 11 to 15 from the 2007 Canadian Math Kangaroo, grade 3-4. Are you ready? Like, share and subscribe for more fun math tricks. See you in the next math adventure.